In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Finance dark mode in a quick and easy process that you can follow along with right at home. So let's dive in. First, we need to start by opening Google Chrome. If you don't have Chrome installed, take a moment to get it from the Chrome website and have it handy for this process since it's the browser we'll be using today. Once you have Chrome up and running, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll want to type in this specific URL, chrome our flags #enable force dark. This URL might look a little technical, but don't worry, it's simply a path to some experimental settings in Chrome. These settings allow us to unlock extra features that aren't usually some of the default options. By accessing this page, we're able to change certain aspects of how web pages display color schemes. After you've typed in the URL, hit enter, and you should be taken to a page with a variety of options. Here we'll focus on the setting called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is the feature that will allow us to turn on dark mode for not just Google Finance but for nearly all websites you visit using Chrome. Search for Auto Dark Mode for web contents, and when you locate it you'll see a drop down menu next to this option. Click on it and select Enabled from the drop down list. Enabling this feature tells Chrome to render colors darker across websites, essentially giving you a seamless dark mode experience. Now, in order to see these changes take effect, we need to relaunch Chrome. After you have changed the setting to enabled, you might see a prompt asking you to relaunch the browser. Click on Relaunch to close Chrome and reopen it with the new settings applied. If you don't see the prompt, don't worry, simply close Chrome manually and reopen it again. With these steps completed, visit Google Finance or any other website, and you should notice that the page now has a darker theme applied. This is an excellent feature for those who prefer darker aesthetics or spend a substantial amount of time in front of screens and need to minimize eye strain. Remember, you can always go back to the same settings and opt out of dark mode by choosing disabled if you no longer wish to use it. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode for Google Finance and in fact all web content viewed through Chrome. This has been a straightforward yet nifty enhancement you can make to your browsing experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your eyes feel a little more relaxed navigating through online finance data henceforth. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you in the next one.